Starting October 1st, new tariffs on imported cabinetry are coming into play. If you're planning a kitchen renovation, you might be wondering, how will this affect your budget? First off, a 50% tariff doesn't mean a 50 price hike. Historically, the supply chain absorbs some of that cost, so homeowners usually see a rise of about 15 to 30% instead. Now, here's a key point. Tariffs only apply to goods entering the US after October 1st. This means cabinets already in stock won't be affected by the new tariffs. But come late fall or winter, you'll start to see those tariff-adjusted prices as new stock arrives. And don't worry, US-made cabinets are not impacted by these tariffs. Brands like Wellborn, Medallion, and Starmark will keep producing at consistent prices. Plus, local custom millwork shops are a great option for unique designs and quicker turnarounds. At Chapter, we anticipated these changes and partnered with US-based manufacturers. This means we can offer stable pricing, reliable quality, and shorter lead times. So yes, tariffs will affect some parts of the cabinetry market, but renovations will continue. If you're planning a kitchen, the best move is to start sooner rather than later. Call us today to schedule a consultation and secure your cabinetry at the best price.